So today's mudra is for harmonious relationship and to attract the right person. For harmonious relationship, sometimes when we get married or we dated some person and then with time the relationship changes and we are thinking like, what? I married this person, he or she were behaving so different, what's wrong, what's happened? The same with dating someone. And what is happening is in the beginning of our lives we have like a matrix and etalon of ideal relationship. We all know how the relationship must look, but then we come to some family where maybe relationship is already broken and we just copy pasting what we had in our childhood. Also during our lifetime we date people, we break our hearts, and we also like forget this etalon how the relationship must be easy, flowing, and everything really fun. And to come back to this track again, how it was in the beginning of our lives, we can use mudras. And please do not underestimate the impact of the mudras. Yes, they are really simple to do. You just take your hands and sit for 5 minutes per day. But believe me, it's very powerful tool because it's not impacting just you, but it can also bend and change the reality outside of you. So the energy is so strong. And me, when I practice it too much or I take wrong mudra, my body immediately tells me I start to have a strong headache or the whole body pain, the back pain, and I understand, okay, I maybe overdid, I did too many times per day, or I thought about that too much, and then I stop and take another mudra or think how often should I do it. So for harmonious relationship, you sit to the east 2 times per day, in the morning and in the evening, for 5 minutes. You take your thumb and middle finger on the left hand for right-handed people. For left-handed people, you take it on the right hand. So for the right-handed people, you take left hand like this. Then you take the ring finger and little finger and you put it to the bottom of thumb like this, and the index finger is a bit bent, just a bit, and you sit it like this, straight on the level of your heart. You put it straight, and with the right hand. And for the left-handed people, with the left hand, you hug the palm on the bottom of the thumb, a bit bent, the index finger, not much. And you stay in this pose for 5 minutes, 2 times per day. Imagine that there is energy coming to your heart and creating the wave of this etalon relationship. It will help you to know what things to tell in what time, or maybe do not tell some things, and there will be intuitive insights, impacts that you will know, okay, now maybe I need to tell this, or maybe I should act like this. So you remember the true nature of the relationship, and it will guide you and help you to fix the issues in the relationship. If no one supports you in your family that you do mudras, just do not tell them. It's enough one person to change, even if it's a big family, to change the behaviors inside of family. Then you practice it for 1 week, 2 times per day. But if you see that there is nothing changed, really no changes, you continue to do it till 1 month, and you can increase it to 3 times per day. At least 2 times, but you can do it 3 times per day, 5 minutes. But if after 1 month nothing changed, like really no no impact, what you do, you go to the mudra of loneliness. It is in a part 1. But if that mudra also doesn't help, that means that either you are not acting, also you just do mudras and do not do anything what guides, spirit guides or your teachers guiding you or helping you, or there is pathological relationships, that there is an abuse, that there is a victim and aggression. You need to go deeper. This you can do with other mudras or through Akashic records reading. You could check, maybe you have a karmic relationship with this person, or you have contracts and it's just like a lesson here, and till you will not understand the lesson, it will continue, and here this mudra will not be helpful. For me personally, after practicing 1 week of this mudra, I noticed that I started to appreciate much more what I already have in a relationship, also what works in a relationship, and less focusing on what is not. And in general, I felt really deeply thankful for what I have. And as we all know, the energy of thankfulness, it's a really powerful energy that will bring much more in your life what you are thankful for. And this mudra is for finding and attracting the one. Oh, how much of us wish to, when I will find the right one, when I will meet her or he. And it can continue years long, and you try and you again not meet. And here's my first proposal, that you stop searching for a soulmate, the person who is really like you, thinking and have the same inside of you, because most of the time when we meet our soulmates, we already met in other lifetimes with each other in different roles, and we ask them to meet us when we are forgetting about our soul plan, why we came to the earth. And very often these soul mates are coming to our life just for a short period of time, because they come just to bump, to tell us, hey, you are on the wrong direction, you need to come back to yourself, to your soul journey, and then they disappear. This is the main reason why we sometimes meet people who are really so much, we have so deep connection to them, we understand deeply, maybe there is telepathy, the sex is usually the best of the best, but it's just a sign that it's a soul mate. But the best what you can ask is, could I please meet a person with whom I will fulfill my soul plan? So before the birth, the soul decided what lessons, what impact, how it will grow. And this is after the end of your life, what will matter the most. Did you, what you planned before the birth, did you fulfill that? And sometimes the people with whom we will fulfill are not our soulmates. I do not say that it's like 100%, but I tell it from my experience. The one who we fulfill are not our like soulmates with whom we are like 99% match, because these people are coming to support us on a journey, sometimes when we forget that we need to awaken, that we need to remember our true nature of the soul. And then as soon you realize, and these soulmates, they can come in different ways, through love, but also through like abuse, through victim state, where you really will feel punished and your heart will feel again like squeezed, but it's only for your best that you remember why, what was the real reason why you came. And then when you go through this person, this breakup, you realize, okay, I'm now awakened and I remember what is my purpose for the lifetime. So wish the right one who will help fulfill your soul plan. So here we go, and the mudra for attracting the right person will create in you like entry points, so you will be opened, and you will be more magnetic to the right people, to a person of creating a family. And here you must not think about the exact person, not her name or his name and surname. It doesn't work like this. You just set an intention. I want to find someone to create a family or to have a strong relationship. And this is enough. And you practice this mudra for 1 week, 2 times per day, 5 minutes as others. What you do? So for a right-handed person, you take a right hand, you bend a bit all the fingers, except the thumb finger is strong and pointing to you, and your hand is 45 degrees bent. Then you take a left hand, and for the left-handed person a right hand. You connect the thumb and little finger, and other 3 fingers you put together. They are really very, very near to each other. And then you put this left hand 45 degrees to the right hand, like this. Yeah, sometimes it's not so comfortable. And you sit in this pose for 5 minutes, 2 times per day, setting an intention to meet a right person for the purpose of creating a strong relationship, to find the one that is completely will fit you, your desires, your wishes. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I would love to hear what you noticed. Also, always notice the signs. When you practice this mudra for 7 days, look around, see what articles you put an eye on, what people are talking near you, the people you know or unknown people, the strangers on the street. All this matters. Yeah, also go out and take all the invitations that you get if you feel that they are safe to attend. Because if you do not do actions, it's also the mudra will not work. So you need to set an intention and also take an action. I would love to hear how you practice, how it was, what insights you got, and maybe there is already love stories that you would share. Please put that in a comment. I'm really sure that you will find the right one and that you are able to have a harmonious relationship in the future. Thank you.